Shribhumi police team successfully raided and captured a huge quantity of narcotic substances on Wednesday morning. 3 smugglers were arrested with 75,000 yaba tablets worth Rs 19 crore in this raid, while 2 luxury vehicles were seized along with them. The search operation was conducted in 2 vehicles on National Highway 8 connecting Assam and Tripura in Patel Nagar area of Shribhumi district. The seized items were recovered from the secret chambers of the 2 vehicles. The smugglers were identified as Hussain Ahmed, Nazimuddin and Abdullah Khair and are residents of Kalain and Katigora areas of neighbouring district of Kachar. The consignment were taken from Champai district of Mizoram and were heading towards Patharkandi of Shribhumi district, informed SP Karimganj Partha Pratim Das, who himself conducted this successful operation.
Champai district of a gari kali morning ka start disile duta gari asle actually eta AS01 FX 3862 aru AS02A0119 to ei gari kini ami yate Patel Nagar intercept korilu thoroughly search kora pisot secret chamber poa goise tate independent witness agot ami ete search procedure korilu yate 76000 yaba tablet paisu আৰু 3 জন মানুহ আমি এপ্ৰেহেণ্ড কৰিছোঁ এজনৰ নাম হুছেইন আহমেদ নাজিমুদ্দিন আৰু আব্দুল্লাহ খোৱাৰ তেওঁলোক ৰাস্তাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ কাটিগড় আৰু কালাইন এৰিয়াৰ হয় আৰু যোনখিনি কনচাইনমেণ্ট আছিলে তেওঁলোকে পাটাকান্দি ছাইডত লৈ গৈ আছিলে
কি নাম কেইটা অকণমান কৰি দিলে
হুছেইন আহমেদ নাজিমুদ্দিন আৰু আব্দুল্লাহ খোৱাৰ
কালাইনত ঘৰ